The Memphis Grizzlies close their 3-game homestand tonight as they take on their long-standing rival, the Oklahoma City Thunder. Grizzlies at 12-9. They have won 9 of their last 12 games. Oklahoma City at 12-8. Vince Carter enters the game, and Barnes. Lee on the throwback, extra pass, Chalmers for 3. And Vince Carter, I'm sorry, it wasn't a three-point shot, it was a pass.
It was a great pass by Mario Chalmers, realizing that Vince had inside separation on the scoreboard with Durant and Westbrook on the bench.
Ibaka with a deep catch and a miss. Rebound Vince Carter inside of 5. Robertson, who had a big third quarter, it's blocked by Chalmers. Mario on a run out. Augustine is back, and Mario flips and fills it. All Thunder. Smith with a hesitation move. Carter. Carter puts in the 3. And the search for answers continues. 125-88.